Here's a problem of positive and negative numbers. The instructions say to add, but that can be a little misleading. Actually, you're going to be combining the numbers. That means it could be addition or subtraction. It's sort of like sorting out the numbers until you come up with the total. So there's many different ways to picture this. It's actually based on a number line, of course. If you take a number line, and you start at -2, and then add 5, you're going to the right 5 places, and you'll get to your answer. But that can be time consuming, and so here is a very quick way to find the answer. But I just wanted you to know what it's based on, right? It's very logical, based on a number line. But here's a metaphor that will help you get to the solution very quickly without having to sketch out a number line every time. When you look at these two numbers, notice that the 2 is negative and the 5 is positive. If you think of it as two teams, a positive team and a negative team, and imagine that the negative team has 2 points and the positive team has 5 points. At that point, all you have to do is ask yourself 2 questions. Which team is winning? Well, it looks like the positive team is winning, so we know it's going to be a positive answer. You don't need to write that. I'm just making note of it. And then you ask yourself, by how much is that team winning? How much are they ahead? They're ahead by 3 points. So the positive team is winning by 3 points. So the answer is a positive 3. Very quick and easy method. Watch again as I do another example. Only this time it'll probably go much faster because I'm not going to necessarily make a big chart. My example will be a 3 plus -4. So you just ask yourself 2 questions. Which team is winning? Well, I have positive 3, I have -4. So the negative team is winning. And now ask myself, by how many points are they ahead? They're ahead by 1 point. That's the answer. Let's do another, just to be sure. How about a -2 plus a -5? Same thing. Which team is winning? Well, the negative team has 2, but the negative team also has 5. So clearly the negative team is winning. It's almost as if the positive team didn't even show up this time. And by how many points are they winning? Well, they have 2, they have 5, they have all 7. It's not going to change teams, right? They have these points. Those are their points. -7 is the answer.